Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Cooking with Chubaranks. Have you ever wanted to make Chinese food at home? Well, I got the answer for you today. Check it out. So today's ingredients, got these at the Dollar Store. Onions, boom. Mixed vegetables, literally, find those at the dollar store. Eggs, dollar store. Ham, well, this is from Thanksgiving, but they sell it at the dollar store too. So it's gonna be real simple, quick and easy. Oh, can't forget soy sauce. Hopefully it tastes good. It's kind of a knockoff brand, not the one you see in the restaurants, but should work. So we'll see how it goes. See you guys. Alright, so first things first, we are going to cook our eggs just because you don't want them to be overcooked. They don't taste that great when they're overcooked, so we're just going to use the same pan. It's all going to be on one pan. Put a little oil so it doesn't stick too much to the pan. It's going to stick a little bit. It's not that great of a pan, but we'll work with what we got. And we'll start tossing in a couple eggs. I have a lot of rice that we're going to be putting in, so I'm thinking about like 6 eggs. Finished up the eggs real quick. Try to let them not cook the whole way because we're going to toss them in just again to get cooked. So now we'll chop up the onion, garlic, and then the ham as well into little cube pieces, and then we're good to go for in the pot. Now it's time for the final assembly practically. So a little bit of oil in there, and I like to get the aromatics going, so the garlic and the onion is going in first. Should be hearing that sizzle in a second. Making a mess. Let them get to know each other. A little mix. Then we'll throw in the ham. These green ones are going to be for later. They're more for like garnish. They wilt down pretty easily like spinacas. Smells good already. Beautiful. The ham going beautiful. And after that, now comes the rice. I hear that they like to make refried rice out of old white rice because they don't want to toss it. So that's one way to get around it. Putting it in here and you'll never know the difference. That is 3 cups of rice right there. 3 cups. And now we'll mix, and then I'll be throwing in the soy sauce right now, and you just got to be a little careful when putting it in, but it should come out good, guys. So Karen's been telling me I need to step up my plating game, and I think I just figured it out. Oh, beautiful. I don't even want to eat it. But you know we got to, because we got to do that taste test. Alright guys, you know what time it is? Taste test time. I'm going to do it without the cock sauce and one with. Let's see how it goes. Nice, little sticky texture, sticks together. Just as I imagined. Amazing. Do I need to open this all the way? Yo. We'll cut this out. What? I don't know what you're talking about. There's no plastic in here. Alrighty. Ooh. Just when you think it can't get better. Woo. Good spice. Definitely recommend it, guys. Check it out. Hit that like button if you haven't already done so. Be sure to subscribe. We got more videos coming your way. Till next time. Nos vemos.